Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Vikram and this is the 2020 Elantra, the best car or one of the best cars Hyundai has ever made, and this car runs on a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder petrol engine. Let us quickly get started. This feels amazing to drive, man, and this car is 5-year-old, but the cockpit feels brand new and soft touch materials. Of course, hard plastics in the lower half of the dashboard, but the driving feel is crazy. Let me buckle up. This is going to be a POV review. This is an automatic, by the way, into drive mode, into sport mode, and it's got 4 drive modes. I'm in sport mode right now. Full throttle. Fantastic torque. 6,000 RPM. It revs all the way till 6,500 RPM actually. That is where it shifts, and we can get into manual for the gearbox. And the shifts are crazy. It is very smooth. The shifts are very smooth, and the way this car pulls, fantastic. And the braking, this car is amazing, man. I don't know why Hyundai discontinued this car. This is the best sedan Hyundai has ever made, period. I haven't driven the Sonata, so I can't comment on that, but Elantra is the best Hyundai sedan I have ever driven. And as you can see, the way this motor pulls is crazy. It is really mind-numbing. This car runs on a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine. That is why it feels too good to drive. And this thing produces 160 bhp and 132 pound-feet of torque. It feels so good to drive. It's a naturally aspirated engine, and every single time you downshift, there's no lag in the gearbox whatsoever. That is how fantastic the gearbox is. This is really a crazy car. I know Hyundai has made some fantastic cars like the Santa Fe and Tucson, but Elantra is something else. It's a sedan. The way this thing feels while driving it is planted to the ground. Suspension is kind of firm, but the entire character of this car, it just feels like driving a 3 Series. It really feels like driving a 3 Series because the way steering is full of feel and feedback. Unlike other Hyundai steering wheels are actually very light, but this steering wheel has got some fantastic feel and feedback. The car is too long. It is more than 4 meters in length, but it feels easy to drive because in slow speed, steering is kind of light. It is not as light as Creta or Venue. It is kind of on the heavier side and lighter side. It kind of adjusts with your speed, and the feedback from the steering wheel is crazy. Because it's a sedan, it remains planted to the ground. Ground clearance is very low. It's lower than the Swift. That is the reason why this car feels so good to drive. It feels like a 3 Series. It really feels like a 3 Series. In fact, it feels better than the BMW 2 Series if you have driven that, and some basic Mercedes cars. But it is an expensive car. Elantra is definitely expensive, but the way this car feels is something else. No other car gives you the feel of an Elantra. Let me shift it to normal eco mode. Average is definitely very low. It's showing 8 kmpl right now. That's because I'm driving it quite aggressively. But when I get into normal drive mode for the gearbox, and it's an eco mode, now things are quite silent, smooth. It's very calm and composed. But whenever I get into sport mode, it immediately revs. If you could notice the difference in the sound, engine shouts. It is an absolute rev happy engine. It feels too good to be revved. It feels like a Honda engine in some aspects, but it feels even more enthusiastic than a Honda. Of course, Hondas have that kind of rubber band effect in the lower end of the rev, in the mid-range, but this gearbox, it's a torque converter. It's a 6-speed torque converter. Shifts are quite fantastic. Unlike other torque converters, usually what happens is, unless you cross that 80 kmph mark, it won't get into 6th gear, even if you're in manual mode. But that is not at all the case over here. For a car like this, for a sedan, of course, which is loved by enthusiasts, this is a fantastic gearbox. A DCT would have been even better, but you would not definitely miss a DCT because that is how fantastic the gearbox is. It is very quick shifting. It is like, butter smooth. You won't even realize the shifts. There's no jerk, which is usually present in the DCT gearbox. That is not there in this, torque converter. That is kind of good, but for hardcore enthusiasts, that is something they would really enjoy. This engine is really great. It's not a very heavy car. That is the reason why a 2-liter engine feels like a huge engine in this car. Of course, 2 liters. So guys, that is my review of one of the best cars Hyundai has ever made, the Elantra. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video real soon with another amazing car. If you want me to review any of your favorite cars, comment down below or feel free to DM on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. See you in the next video real soon. Until then, this is Vikram signing off.